Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Zombie Mode on Black Ops 2 Plutonium. Firstly, click on the link in the description and right-click on the Maps section and select Download. Click on Game Settings and then click Select, then create a new folder named T6R. Open the T6R folder. Inside it, create a new folder called Data. Drag and drop the mod menu file into the data folder. Now, open Black Ops 2 Zombies and go to Solo. It's recommended to avoid going online to prevent getting banned. If you're using a controller, press the aiming button and the knife button simultaneously to bring up the menu. Use the D-pad to scroll and reload button to select options. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.